Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about something called the percent chance of rain. I'll be going over specifically how to understand what it means in this easy to follow along with tutorial. Let's get right into the video. You see it all the time, you hear it all the time. There is a blank percent chance of rain in the coming days. So there will be a 30% chance of rain or a 50% chance of rain. What does that mean, right? Is it 50% likely that it's going to rain here, there? 50% of the land will experience rain? Where? How? What does it mean exactly? Now, just to preface this, I'm not a meteorologist, I'm not a professional, but I did a little bit of research on the subject topic because I was very curious, and this is what I found out. Now, take this with a grain of salt because I know different meteorologists use different formulas, but it's all based off of the same basic principle. So follow along with me over here, okay? So it's based off of a simple equation, okay? And I believe that some meteorologists can alter it and stuff like that. Some people can alter, but it's based off of this very simplistic equation. The percent chance of rain is equal to the confidence of the meteorologist that it will actually rain multiplied by the percentage of the area that is actually expected to get that rain, okay? So let's put some numbers into effect here. Let's say that the meteorologist is 50% confident that we will get rain in this 50% of the land of this city, okay? So 50% of the land of the city is likely to get rain, and it's 50, and the meteorologist, the person is 50% confident about that. What you have is 50% confidence times 50% of the land. 50% times 50% is 25%. That would equate to a 25% chance of rain. Very simple, okay? Now, on the other hand, let's say the meteorologist knows that rain is going to happen. So they are 100% certain that a rainstorm is coming on this land. And it will likely hit 50% of the land, okay? So the meteorologist is 100% confident that that rain will hit 50% of the land. So 100% confidence times 50% of the land, 100% times 50% is 50%. So that would equal a 50% chance of rain. As soon as I understood this, my mind was like, what? All of these years, I would see the percent chance of rain. I'm like, oh, 40% chance of rain. So it probably won't rain, right? You know, that's less than 50. It's not likely to actually rain. And then it would rain, and I'm like, what? It was only a 40% chance. And it rained, right? And I was like, and then I realized, wait, maybe I'm just actually in the section of land, okay, that was decently likely to get rain. Maybe the part of the land was only 20%. 20% of the land was likely to get rain, okay? But the percentage likelihood of that area getting rain was much harder. So 40% seems like a low number, but if you're standing in the spot that's very likely to get that rain, but it's only a small area, you actually are very likely to experience that rain. So as soon as I understood how it worked, my mind was just completely astonished. And I really wanted to make this video to share with you because, you know, we see the percent chance of rain all the time, but we don't really, I mean, I didn't know what it meant, right? And now I have at least a general understanding. Like I said, people can alter the equation, but the idea of it is going to be the same, okay? The idea behind it is going to be the same thing, and you might just change it slightly, but the idea is going to be very, very similar to that basic equation that I spoke about. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.